Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Pigeon. Today I shall told you about the facts of dove. Doves are symbols of peace and have various species. They are known for their gentle behavior. Doves are highly adaptable birds, found in diverse habitats worldwide. They primarily feed on seeds and fruit, and they are soft. Homing pigeons, a type of dove, have remarkable navigation abilities and were historically used for carrying messages over long distances. Doves have been symbols of peace and purity in various cultures. The dove carrying in olive branch is a well-known symbol of peace. There are over 300 species of dove, ranging from the tiny Inca dove to large species like the Victoria crowned pigeon. Some dove species, like the rock dove pigeon, have adapted well to urban environments and can be found in cities worldwide. Doves engage in elaborate courtship rituals, puffing up their feathers and exchanging food as a bonding gesture. Doves are known for their soft cooing sounds. Doves primarily feed on seeds and grains. In the wild, doves generally have a lifespan of 1 to 5 years, but some can live longer in captivity. Doves are found on every continent except Antarctica, showcasing their adaptability to various climates and environments. Doves have been used as messengers for centuries. They were often trained to deliver messages during war times. Some species of doves can live up to 15 years or more in the wild. Doves are known for their strong homing instincts. They can find their way back home from long distances. They have a unique ability to drink water by sucking it up instead of using their beaks to scoop it. Doves can fly at high altitudes, reaching heights of up to 13,000 feet. Doves are beautiful birds, known for their peaceful nature and symbolic significance. In Urdu, we call them fakhta, chachundar. They are often associated with love, peace, and purity. Doves have a gentle cooing sounds and are known for their monogamous nature, as they often mate for life. They are also great flyers, reaching impressive speeds. So, these are facts about dove. I hope you will like it. For more interesting facts and birds videos, subscribe my channel. Bye bye.